resolve health crisis speedily. We are concerned that the country is going through a serious health crisis. The transition from the National Health Insurance Fund to the Social Health Insurance Fund is extremely slow and not well understood. As a result, many patients are suffering greatly as health facilities quietly decline to treat them based on the NHIF. We call upon the government to speed up the transition and to especially undertake widespread civic education on the same. We are saddened by images of the sick remaining unattended in public health care facilities due to the ongoing doctors' strike. We call upon all county governments across the country to hold meaningful dialogue with the doctors and other medics to resolve the emerging crisis due to strikes. Fight corruption. National Ethics and Corruption Survey Report 2023 has sadly shown that corruption is growing at 70% and has continued to grow at an alarming rate. Corruption has caused public funds to be misappropriated from important priorities like infrastructure, education, and health care. Corruption has greatly eroded institutional integrity, reducing public trust in government and dampening political legitimacy. It has exacerbated inequality and poverty by allowing the dishonest accumulation of wealth and power at the expense of the broader population. Corruption has been the major enabling factor for a culture of impunity and crimes. At its core, corruption is a violation of human rights, denying citizens their rightful share of public services and resources while privileging the connected few over society's greater goods. Through the forces allowing graft, bribery, and embezzlement to foster may seem entrenched and powerful, they are no match for the collective will of people demanding truth, justice, and accountability. We call on the residents of Kirinyaga and its leaders to courageously take bull by the horns and eradicate the vice. Kirinyaga NCCK commits to leading in speaking the truth to power and mobilizing all our members to fight these menace. Implement Alcoholic Drinks Control Act. The residents of Kirinyaga County have continued to suffer the consequences of uncontrolled alcohol use, illicit brews, and drug and substance abuse. It is saddening to note that our county is among the leading counties with the highest number of deaths resulting from illicit brews. Broken marriages, school dropouts, and gender-based violence are rampant as a result of its consumption. We commend the initiative by the national government led by His Excellency Deputy President Honorable Rigathi Gachagua and the Kirinyaga County Governor, Her Excellency Anne Waiguru, towards ensuring that the illicit brews are brought down. Of notable significance is passage of the Kirinyaga County Alcoholic Drinks Control Act 2023, which will go a long way in fighting the deadly illicit brews that have bedeviled the county. We look forward to its immediate implementation, and we commit to partner with the county in fighting these away against the illicit brews. Educate people on the NADCO report. We have reviewed the report by the National Dialogue Committee, NADCO, that was presented and passed by the Parliament. We are aware that the focus has now shifted to implementation through the formulation of laws and policies. There is, however, a major concern that most Kenyans are not aware of the proposals made in the NADCO report or the implications when these are implemented. We call upon the National Assembly to put in place a national-wide civic education program so that Kenyans are aware of the measures that are being implemented.